Hello, students. Yes, now moving ahead with our chapter Business Services. Okay, and this is our seventh part of our chapter 2. Okay, so in today's lecture, we will be studying about the we have go downs. Okay, we have already discussed the ownership perspective, what is private go down, what is public go down, payment of custom duty perspective, customs duty paid go down, bonded go down. Yes, for the usefulness perspective we have general go down and special go down. In the earlier part, we have already discussed about this. Now, today we will be discussing all this in more detail. Okay? Yes, about in the earlier part, I have already discussed what is go downs for product whose custom duty is paid. Okay? So, they are that go downs where all the imported goods are kept, and when there is no kind of transportation facility available for the importer, for the person who has imported the goods, so he keeps this kind of products in this type of godowns, and he has already paid custom duty for that products. So this type of godowns are known as godowns for products whose custom duty is paid. Okay, so this has been explained in very detail in the last lecture. From today, for today, we will be starting with bonded go down. So, what happens in the bonded go down? Let me explain you, students. Custom duty is to be paid on the goods. Yes, but when the person who has got the goods imported, uh, yes, does not pay the custom duty. Yes, he is not ready to pay the custom duty. At that time, the you can say the authorities, what they do is they store this type of goods in bonded go down. Okay, such go downs are located near places of import. Yes, that can be a port, that can be an airport, or it can be some go down place. Yes, where the country's borders are located. Okay, and if the importer wants to re-export the goods, it can happen that importer has imported the goods, but now he wants to re-export the goods. Okay, so different services like packing of the goods and classifying the goods are provided in this type of bonded good. Okay, yeah, but the basic product will not change, only the packing will be changed. Okay, and such go downs are actually a blessing for re-exporting. Yes, what happens is for some people, you can say Mr. X. Okay, what he does is he imports some goods from South Africa, and after that he exports the goods to, you can say, South America. Yes, you can also say, okay, let us take the example of London. He re-exports it to London. So now he can change the packing, etc. in the bonded go down and re-export the goods to London directly. है ना? It will be blessing for him. Okay, go downs on point of usefulness perspective. We have general go downs. General go downs, in general godowns, all types of goods can be kept. Okay, they can be of different shapes, weights, volumes, nature. Any kind of goods can be kept in general godown. General godowns are huge in size. Okay, and there is no special thing in general godown. Okay, they are only normal godowns. Okay, yeah, and they are huge godowns. Okay, now let us study about specific godowns. What are specific godowns? Specific godowns, I can give you the example of a cold storage. Okay, for different items like milk, dairy products, for vegetables, fruits, cold storage is important. Yes, and for petrol and for the goods like that, for the even for the crackers, for the crackers and chemicals, a special godown has to be designed. Okay, even for the medicine, some of the medicines required cold storage. Okay, or else they can get spoiled. Yeah, so this kind there are special facilities, treatments, maintenance in this kind of godowns. Okay, and such special godowns are very important for special products. Okay, yes, so that the products are safe and can be stored for a longer time. Okay, and for their safety purpose many laws have been made. Okay, okay, moving ahead to our next thing, that is transportation. Every one of us know that what is transportation. Yes, we have studied since first standard. Transporting goods and people from one place to another is transportation. Okay, transportation is also for people and also for the goods. Okay, there are three types of transportations: waterways, airways, and roadways and railways. Okay, this both can go side by side, roadways and railways. Okay, yeah. So let us study the types of transportation. Human operated. What do you mean by human operated transportations? It means that type of transport that is operated by human, like rickshaw. You can take the example of rickshaw. You can take the example of bus. You can take the example of train. Yes. Okay. But over here, the best example is of the Kolkata pedal rickshaw. Okay, there what the person will be doing is person will be cycling the rickshaw. Okay, this is human operated. Yeah, we have bus and we have train, and but they are not human operated. Okay, we have various transportations but they are not human operated. These are human operated transportations. Okay, so what about animal operated? Barad gadi, ghoda gadi. Yes, so these are animal operated. Okay, what of airways? Yes, anyone has idea? So of airways, yeah, aeroplane. I know every one of you must be having idea. Aeroplane, helicopter. Yes. What about landways? Okay, we have railways. Railways is train. Okay, trains, they can carry passengers as well as goods. Okay, some of the trains are specially designed trains. I can say luggage, uh, for carrying diesel, petrol, you can say electricity, this kind of goods. They are special cabinets that are made for this kind of goods. Okay, so railways, then you have roadways also. Okay, and in railways some of the trains are moving by compressed natural gas. Yes, we use that for as a fuel for our railways. Okay, roadways we use bus, we use rickshaw, that is which is by the motor. Okay, yeah. So various transportations. Yes, BRTS, bus. Okay, you can get ample of examples. Okay, if you want to go to Ahmedabad, to Rajkot, you can have a roadways. Yes, if you want to go from Ahmedabad to Mumbai, then also you have this facility available for the goods as well as for the passengers. Okay, yeah, but there are some problems in roadways. There is the problem of traffic jam, parking issues. Yes, this kind of noise pollution, air pollution. Yeah, this kind of problems arise, and if the distance is very huge, yes, then there will be the problem to make the goods reach the destination on time. Yeah. Waterways. Okay. For waterways, we have different water bodies: sea, river, lake. Yes, and on which boats are operated. Yes, we have ferries also. Uh, and near the seashore places where water and even land is there. Okay, yeah. Giant high speed fan are used. Yes, big dams are constructed and water is made available to distant places through canals also. Okay, and canals are also used as waterways. Yeah, we all have idea about this. Foreign trade takes place mostly through this for waterways. Why? I will explain you. Because in foreign trade you have to carry the goods. Yes, from one country to another country. The distance is very very huge, and there can be weight issues. If you transport the goods through waterways, the weight of the goods, if the weight of the goods is very large, then also the goods can be transported. But in airways, if you want to do the transportation through airways, the goods should be lighter weight. Okay, so and this is cheaper than the airways. Okay, and you can even go from one continent to another continent also. Yes, at the if the place is near the coastal areas. Okay, and ferry services proved very profitable also, students, all these years. So there is also transport through pipeline, wastage. I can give you the example of various factories. There is a lot of wastage from the factories. So pipelines are built up so that the wastage can be transported to its required destination. Also, in some of the areas, there is requirement of water, petrol, natural gas, of course. So, what happens is they are transited through the use of pipeline. Okay. In Mumbai, I can give you the example. There is Mahanagar Gas Limited. So gas is transported through the pipeline by the Mahanagar Gas. Yes, Gas Limited, and it reaches all the people over there, household. Okay. So, transporting gas from Hajira, over here, example has been given. Gas is transported from Hajira to Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh. Pipeline is laid. Okay. Oil and petroleum products are transported through pipeline in the states like Assam, Bihar, Gujarat, and Uttar Pradesh. I will end my video for today. Thank you, students.